What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club and I hit and I smash on a bang. I know people already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, we're back in the music club. You see me, I see what I deal with it. We got an artist. This artist that I don't know how I didn't realize they dropped this song about 7 days ago, man. A week ago and dropped a song. I don't know how I realize. Like, it's like my music thing slacking, man. I ain't getting no notifications. I ain't gonna get no heads up. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? I know, man. I said, what the fuck? This dropped 7 days ago. I'm in a seat. But anyway, I see it now, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna react to it, man. And none of y'all requested this. How come y'all didn't request this, man? Y'all ain't keeping your boy on point, man. You know what I'm saying? But we got it today. You see me, I'm gonna deal with it today. You don't know, but you know, we got the Z-Tech boss. You know what I'm saying? The Trinidad artist. You know what I'm saying? We're talking none other than Prince Swanny. You see me? And the song is entitled No Time, and we'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. We're very familiar with Prince Swanny and his music. You see me? Prince Swanny bad, lyrics bad. We already know. We ain't gonna, but yeah, man. I'm just surprised that I didn't realize this shit dropped like 7 days ago, man. I know I've been caught up. I've been busy with all that stuff. We've been doing lives, album reaction and shit. You know, Pablo just dropped his new tape called the Bad Juve mixtape, and Valiant just dropped his new album called 414. We did a reaction on that on live. Part 2 is coming either tonight or tomorrow night, guys. Look out for that, and we're gonna do by myself as well. But Prince Swanny dropped him new Blood Clean track like 7 days ago. I mean, I know I'm a week late, man, but we're gonna get it done today. Prince Swanny is always a vibe, man, and we love reacting to Prince Swanny over here. So we're not gonna go all up the vibes much longer. This is Prince Swanny. No time. Let's get it. Yeah. I say, well, not a thing them I say about me, but a one thing me no know me no cat. One thing me no know me no. Alright? But lad, Swan done. Yeah, man, Swan done. I come with a banger for them blood clip on them head top. Come in, Swan done.
Them can't call me no informer. Why them all tough and them informing? I look at thing me no cheap liars. Them want look me up like how them pre-palmer. So the system design.
Lad. Them a call me informer. But good thing me have some good liar. You see me, cause them with a blood clot pre me like on them do palmer. A cartel man talking now. Don't try to lock up a boss like how them do cartel. You see me? Good thing you know, not cheap liar work fame. With cartel, and if you step up a liar then, man. If you step up a liar, cost them, bro. You liar them cheap. I don't say so. So like, but yeah, man. Them a try blood clot swinky swan down dog. Yo, trying to keep out of them fuck with me G. You see me? Yeah, man.
In the siege drama. Every youth will live the life with the G-Wagon. 100 every week, that a new lala. That mean I give a fuck what we about for. Tell them pussy no time, them can't take me out like when the clothes dry. Money me, I make the shut my profile. 2 million.
No time. No pussy can't take me out like when the clothes dry. Money man I make. I'm too no play with the money enough. You see, you can't come for the boss. I'm too no better love Swan and get you out of no mind.
Dimes dancing like a boat ride. Yelling at my sheet like the routine I was signed. You really wanna know why? Rich badness, me no poor guy. Never give a statement in that case, me tell them no lie.
They want to know. Rich badness, you no poor guy. We left that in our pass. You see me, Swan and left in our pass, brother. Rich badness, man, I deal with. You no better know no self. You no better know no self. You better love that.
Them lock me up in the jail and raise up more crime.
Yeah.
All kind of thing them a say about me, but one thing when me know me no cat.
Come here.
Nobody man neither me no rat. A gunshot make the whole of them drop.
One thing them a say about me, one thing me no know me no. One thing me no know me no. One thing me no know me no cat. Nobody man neither we know me no rat. Oh, I'm too no brother. You can't come style the blood please G my old. You see me, Swan and they will no fuck with my yard. You see me, man, now have it. Let's get it.
Nothing them a say about me, but one thing when me know me no cat. Nobody man neither me no rat. A one shot make the whole of them drop. Behave up on me ends. 4 5 bitches Benz BM. So them a fill up me down like present. Chillin' with the see them. Don't know the code, they must bring your friends. Smoke till we get hype on the bed. My over men. We didn't choose this life, but sometimes it's about life.
Cry man, trade black in a crib with the bench 3 4 gal one like me down like prison. Now I'm torn on my yacht. Hey, but allow the man life. Good, the man a do him thing now. Man, I have no time for pray no. Hey.
Over that, put my life over them. But 14 away, so me just pack up no rent.
Yeah.
All kind of thing them a say
All
about me,
now,
but
yes.
one thing when me know
No,
me
me
no
no.
cat.
No,
No
sir.
body man neither, me no rat.
No, sir.
Gunshot make the whole of them drop.
Straight.
All kind of thing them a say about me, but one thing when me know me no cat. No body man neither, me no rat.
I want better stop. I better stop chatty Swandan, yeah? Man, I fuck you with on my youth. You see me? Yeah, man, all type of things around there, and things say boss, and your boss here. But you man know himself, and know say, yo, you know what to, you know what I'm saying? Because say Swandan, boom, boom.
A one shot make the whole of them drop.
Robo! No time. To them, man. No time. Swandan for them. Me know that, hey, that one the bad guys. What y'all think about that one? Swandan went in, man. You see me? Dog went in, dog doing his thing, man. Yeah, man, I like that one, them, man. All time I think them a say about me, but one thing me no know me no. Nobody man neither, me no rat. One shot me, you know, let them drop, hey. All time I think them a say about me, but one thing me no know me no get. Nobody man neither, me no rat. One shot and the whole of them drop. Big up yourself, man. Let me say, yo, the man want to pray him, dog. A good thing, you know, no cheap lawyer, because they want to try like me like Mr. Palmer. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, dog. Man say, good thing, me paying money for my lawyer, them, bro. Because they try like me like cartel fees and try to drain out the money, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, dog, big up yourself, Swandan, and keep doing your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? The Z-Tech boss, Swandan, Prince Swanny. You keep doing your thing, bro. You see me? You keep putting on for the culture, putting on for Trinidad, and we appreciate you. Keep putting on for dancehall. You see me? We appreciate you. Keep doing your thing, bro. Keep striving for better. Don't watch what people are saying, my youth, and keep doing your thing, dog. You know what I'm saying? The energy on that one is right. The beat is crazy. You see me? So we feeling that one, man. So keep doing your thing, you know, Swandan. Yeah, man. Guys, let me know anything about that one day. You see me? Drop a comment in the comment section. If you like, go show the artist and love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dance senior. You see me? Make you know say Jambisco dance senior. You see me? Make you know say strong over here, so. And we show support to all artists and dance hall. You see me? We grow the genre. You see me? I'm saying, and definitely drop the comments. Let me know what was your favorite part. Was the lyric, the beat, the melody? You know what I'm saying? The video. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? We can chop it up now and have some healthy discussion in the comments. You know what I'm saying, guys? And also go ahead, drop a request if you drop a request for videos you want me to react to. If your request is chosen, you'll definitely get your shout out. You already know what time it is. Like I said, guys, goal is 2,500 by the end of the month. We are 2320 right now. Hopefully, we can shoot by 22 past 2,500. Maybe making it 3K. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. So hit that like and subscribe and share. Tell a friend. You don't know the latest reaction channel, latest vibes, latest energy. The lives is crazy. So look out for the lives, man. We'll be chopping it up. They go gang being here. We'll be chopping up, talking all type of shit. Just have crazy energy. You know what I'm saying? We'll be doing album reactions, mixtape reactions, and overall music reactions. So you definitely want to join and become part of it, man. If you want to help the channel out, definitely check the description, man. There's different ways, you know, Cash App, Game of IG, all type of stuff. And we got super thanks. We got, just hit the like. But the best way to help the channel is hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? It's just a click for you, but it means a lot for me. You know what I'm saying? So hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. And till the next video, guys, you don't know what Jambisco was here and hit and smash it up. Bang, huh? Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.